Have you ever noticed that choosing one more thing can feel harder after a long day? At breakfast, picking between cereal and toast is easy. But after school, after homework, after many small choices, even deciding what to wear or what snack to eat can feel strangely tiring. This is called decision fatigue. Decision fatigue is not a broken brain. It is a sign that the mind has been working hard. Your brain is like a busy helper that sorts choices all day long. When it has already filled many baskets with decisions, it can slow down a little, just like legs feel tired after running. Scientists and psychologists notice that people often make poorer choices when they must decide again and again. For example, a person may start the day careful and patient, but later feel more likely to take the easy path, say yes too quickly, or avoid choosing at all. The mind is still working, but its energy for careful thinking is lower. Why does this happen? Every choice asks the brain to compare options, remember rules, and imagine results. Some choices are small, like which pencil to use. Some are bigger, like how to spend time after school. Together, they use up attention. Attention is a limited spotlight. When the spotlight grows dimmer, choices can seem blurry. This does not mean people should never decide things. It means the brain needs rest and support. Simple routines can help. Planning clothes the night before, packing a lunch early, or using a short checklist can save brain power for more important choices. Food, sleep, and breaks also matter. A tired, hungry, or stressed mind has a harder time making good decisions. That is why a snack, a nap, a walk, or a quiet moment can make thinking feel clearer again. Decision fatigue teaches an important lesson: choices are part of life, but too many choices in a row can wear the mind down. So when someone seems stuck or cranky after many decisions, it may not be laziness. It may simply be a brain asking for a rest.